Thank you for calling Card Holder Services. My name is Josha. It appears our system did not capture your card number. Do you have your card number today? Okay, whenever you're ready. Okay. And can I have your name as it appears on that card? Thank you so much. And as I'm pulling up the account here, how can I assist you today? Transaction here. So it looks like did you use your card at the pump at the gas station? Okay. Yes, that's what it's looking like. I don't think anyone ever spends $100 on but I think that may be a hold on the from the gas station. I've been seeing that on a lot of people's accounts recently, and it looks like it's just a hold. Yeah, so if it doesn't post, oh, go ahead, sorry. I guess so, yeah. Of course, I completely understand. Oh, man. Of course, I completely understand. Was there anything else I can take a look at for you today? It can be on there for 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes they post really quickly, like it'll be a cold, and then it'll fall off right away. It really just depends on the gas station. Of course, thank you for calling. You have a good rest of your day.
Y'all, it is 3:28 in the morning, December 1st. So this is my official intro for Vlogmas. I mean, Is it really gonna be Vlogmas? I really don't even know at this point. Is it just gonna be probably 4 vlogs of cumulative days smashed together? Possibly. But until then, welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas. Do I have anything planned for the day? No. Did I decide to do Vlogmas activities for the YouTubes last minute? Of course I did, like 3 days ago. Do I have anything pre-planned, pre-recorded, prepared for Vlogmas? I do not. So we gonna find out a few things that are happening this month. One, I have 3 children's birthdays to go to for my cousins and their children, so my son's cousins. They have some birthdays, a little girl's birthday and 2 boys' birthday. Oh my gosh, I'm going to those. I think one is actually this weekend on the 4th and the other one's on the 11th. So I'll be doing that. Also, another birthday is coming up. Mine. I'll be 27 this month. Yay me. Am I gonna do something for it? No, because I never do anything for my birthday. It's kind of an issue for me. It's kind of a sensitive topic, to be honest. I'll make a video about that one day, but it's neither here nor there. I just yawned some more. I got watery and I'm so fucking tired. I just got off work. Like literally I'm about to restart my computer and just clock the fuck out. I took too many fucking calls today. I feel like I took like 80 calls today after 7 p.m. Like we were supposed to, I had required overtime yesterday, so I went into work 2 hours early, and I feel like that was fucking time wasted because fucking shit. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, restart. Let me tell you, I went into work 2 hours earlier yesterday. Oh, my boob blows up. Went into work 2 hours earlier yesterday, and that shit felt like it was a waste of fucking time. Like, I was just sitting there, and I feel like I really should have just came in 2 hours earlier today, because it was fucking busy as shit today. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I'm about to go to bed for a couple hours, and then wake up and do something for the day. I'll be back. Hey, say hello to the vlog. Say hi. But I have a whole bunch of teeth in my mouth. Okay, guys. So it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh, it's almost actually 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And our Christmas tree is lit. We're watching some vlogs of other people's Vlogmases. Are probably doing it way better than I'm doing it at this point, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, we're just sitting here relaxing. He did not take a nap today, and so he'll probably be going to sleep early tonight, which is totally fine. That means I can actually get some work done while I'm working the first half of my shift today. So for those of y'all who don't know, I am a work from home mom. Work from home, stay at home mom. So I have my son 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, unless his dad comes to pick him up and keeps him for a couple of days. Other than that, I just work from home. Whenever I go outside, and we do activities together. But it's not often that we do those things. But for Vlogmas this year, well, for this month of December, I'm planning to do a lot more things outside of the home. So hopefully I can get those things done. Like I mentioned earlier when I got off work this morning, that there's a couple of birthday parties this month. My birthday's this month, and I may be moving towards the end of the month. So I'm not sure yet. I have to talk to my leasing office to see how much my rent will be if I sign another lease. But I have to see. I know the video before the last one, I was like, oh, I'm just gonna move back in with my mom and save my money and move to Georgia. That's exactly what I want to do. And if I can, the thing is, if I can still, it's because my mom, she wants to move from her home. So I don't want to move in January and then move again in May. Like, that's doing too much, and I'm lazy and I don't like moving to start with. So if I can stay here for another year, I'll still be able to save enough money to move to Georgia, which is totally fine with me. I'm not mad about that at all. But the thing is, it's just like, if I have to stay here another year, then I need to make sure I can afford it, obviously. So if I can negotiate my rent with my leasing office to stay here another year, then that's exactly what I'm going to do. Yeah. So, but that's the plan. And this is probably going to be the end of this first. And this is probably going to be the end of this first vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. We'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 2. Two. Bye, guys.